Picture this, your paycheck just landed. You have exactly 15 seconds before your brain starts planning the most financially destructive shopping spree of your life. Within those precious moments, most people are already mentally spending money they don't have on things they absolutely don't need. That new gaming console feels essential. Those designer sneakers become an investment in your happiness. But what if those same 15 seconds could completely change your financial future? What if a simple routine could automatically put you ahead of 90% of people when it comes to money? Here's something that might shock you about how most people handle their paychecks. They have absolutely no plan. Money shows up in their account and they just wing it. Sure, rent gets paid and food mysteriously appears in the kitchen, but beyond that, it's complete financial chaos. They're sleepwalking through their money decisions, wondering why they never have anything left over at the end of the month. The average person treats their paycheck like they just won a small lottery prize, not like the powerful wealth-building tool it actually is. They get excited, spend most of it on random purchases, and then spend the following weeks eating instant noodles while obsessively checking their bank balance. But people who successfully build wealth do something fundamentally different. They have a system that kicks into gear the moment their paycheck arrives. This system isn't glamorous, it won't get you featured on social media, but it works. The secret lies in understanding that your paycheck isn't just money you earned, it's your future financial freedom divided into monthly portions. Most people get this backwards. They pay their bills, buy whatever catches their eye, and then try to save what remains. Spoiler alert, there's never anything remaining. It's like trying to fill a container that has enormous holes in the bottom. Wealthy individuals flip this entire approach upside down. They prioritize paying themselves first. They understand that financial success isn't just about earning more money, it's about having a reliable system that functions regardless of your income. Someone earning $50,000 a year who consistently saves and invests 10% will end up in much better financial shape than someone earning double that who spends every penny. The lower earner with a system will retire comfortably. The higher earner will likely work into their 80s. This brings us to the foundation. Before you build wealth, you need to know precisely where every dollar goes. The first step is to figure out what percentage of your income covers absolute necessities. These are expenses you literally cannot survive without. Housing, food that sustains you, basic transportation, essential utilities, and healthcare. Notice I didn't mention your premium streaming packages or that gym membership you never use. Here's where most people mess up. They convince themselves that everything feels necessary. That expensive car payment becomes essential transportation. Daily coffees become productivity fuel. But here's the reality check. If you're spending more than 60% of your take-home pay on genuine necessities, you're either living somewhere too expensive for your income or you're mislabeling luxuries as necessities to feel better about your spending. The key is being completely honest about what you need versus what you want. Your future depends on it. The second critical step, before you even consider spending money on anything fun, is to stay current on any debt payments. This isn't about paying off all your debt at once. It's about protecting your credit score. Your credit score is your financial reputation. It affects everything from the interest rate on your mortgage to whether you can even rent an apartment. Here's something surprising. The difference between excellent and terrible credit management often comes down to just one missed payment. In school, 97% is a great grade. In credit scoring, it labels you a high-risk borrower. The system shows no mercy. Make your minimum payments on time, every single time. It's the foundation everything else gets built on. Now, let's talk about something most people ignore until disaster strikes: building an emergency fund. I know, it's about as thrilling as watching grass grow, but this might be the most crucial part of your entire strategy. An emergency fund is money set aside for when life surprises you. Your car breaks down, your pet needs emergency surgery. The goal is to accumulate 3 to 6 months of your essential living expenses in an account you can access immediately. Not invested in the stock market where it might lose value right when you need it, just sitting in a boring savings account, ready to rescue you. This isn't just about money, it's about peace of mind. When you have that buffer, you sleep differently. You walk into work with more confidence because you know that if something happens to your job, you won't be living in your car next month. Once your emergency fund is established, you've officially graduated from financial survival mode to wealth building mode. This is where you start investing for your future self and where compound interest begins making its magic. If your employer offers a retirement plan with matching contributions, this is your absolute first priority. Think of it this way, it's free money. If your company matches 3% of your $60,000 salary, that means if you contribute $1,800, your employer also contributes $1,800. You just doubled your money instantly. Show me another investment that guarantees a 100% return. Beyond the match, aim to invest about 10% of your gross income for retirement. The earlier you start, the less you'll need to contribute. Here's something that might blow your mind. If someone starts investing $300 a month at age 25, they'll have about $1 million by age 65. If they wait until 35, they'll only have about $400,000. That 10-year delay costs them $600,000. Time literally equals money. But what's crazy is that most people overthink this step so much they never begin. They spend months researching perfect strategies. The truth is, for most people, a simple, diversified index fund is perfectly adequate. You just need to start. Once your retirement investing is on autopilot, it's time to tackle any debt that isn't your mortgage. There are two main strategies: the Avalanche method, where you pay off debts with the highest interest rates first, which saves the most money, and the Snowball method, where you pay off your smallest debts first. This isn't as optimal financially, but it can be incredibly motivating. Seeing debts disappear quickly gives you momentum. Personal finance is more about psychology than math. If paying off a small debt keeps you motivated, that's the right strategy for you. The final step ties everything together. It's what separates people who build wealth from people who just talk about it. You need to automate everything. Willpower is like a muscle. It gets tired. You might feel motivated on Monday, but by Thursday evening, that motivation has evaporated. When your money moves automatically according to your plan, you remove emotion and laziness from the equation. Here's how you can do it. When your paycheck hits your account, let it sit for one day. Then, the day after, automatic transfers happen like clockwork. A set amount moves to savings. From there, other transfers send money to your emergency fund, your investments, and any other goals. The beauty is you never have to think about it. But here's the crucial catch. Don't set it and forget it forever. When you get a raise, increase your savings rate. When you pay off a debt, redirect that payment to your investments. You're running on financial autopilot, but you still need to update your flight plan. This routine isn't rocket science. It works because most people simply don't follow a system. Start treating your money like the tool it is. Automate everything. Stick to the plan, and in 5 years, you'll be amazed at how simple it was, while everyone else is still wondering where their money disappeared to. Financial success isn't about being perfect. It's about having a system that works consistently regardless of your mood or energy level. The moment your next paycheck arrives, you'll know exactly what to do with it, and your future self will thank you for taking action today. If this opened your eyes, make sure you subscribe. We're just getting started breaking down the hidden systems that shape your world. That next episode might just hold the insight that transforms your entire financial future. Don't miss it.